Hello guys, welcome to VSPK tutorials. So first you have to subscribe my channel. Yeah, notification released from specialist officer guys and number of post streams. Yeah, IT officer scale 1, agriculture field officer scale 1, Rajya Sabha Adhikari scale 1, so law officer scale 1 and HR personal officer scale 1, so marketing officer scale 1. So all scale 1 categories, but it's a specialist officer and qualifications also different compared to a BPS PO. Examination schedule guys, so online registration starts from 1st July 2025 and last date 21st July 2025. So online examination preliminary examination 2025 and online examination mains examination November 2025. So declaration of result main examination November 2025. So conduct of interview December or January 2025 or 26. So finally provisional allotment letter January or February 2026. This is the 22 schedule of IBPS SO. Next, introduction education qualification index category. So list of participating banks: Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank, and Punjab Sim. So specialist officer scale 1, basic starting basic pay 48,480 rupees, along with the DA, HRA, and lease accommodation time to time. So overall, approximately 90,000 gross salary at the time of joining time. This is the salary structure of IBPS SO. Next, eligibility criteria guys. Nationality next, minimum age 20 years and maximum age 30 years, and age relaxation SC, ST, OBC, and remaining other all people. So next, education qualification guidelines for economically weaker section. Education qualification guys, so IT officer scale 1, minimum age 20 years and maximum age 30 years. So 4 years engineering or technology degree in computer science, computer applications, information technology, electronics and telecommunications, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, or postgraduate degree in electronics and telecommunications. So electronics and communications, or information technology, or computer application also eligible. Graduate having passed DO EACCP level. Next, agricultural and field officer. So minimum age 20 years. So 4 years graduation degree in agriculture or horticulture, animal husbandry, and dairy science, fishery science, pisciculture, agri marketing and cooperation, banking, agroforestry. Next, Rajya Sabha Adhikari scale 1, postgraduate degree Hindi with the English as a subject, or postgraduate degree in a Sanskrit with the English and Hindi as a subjects at degree graduation level. So next, law officer, bachelor degree in law and enrolled as a advocate with the bar council. So next, HR or personal officer, graduate 2 years full-time postgraduate degree in 2 years full-time postgraduate degree in diploma personal management, industrial relations. So HR, HRD, and social work, labor law. So marketing officer degree with 2 years full-time MMS marketing, 2 years full-time MBA marketing, PG DBA or PGDBM, PGPM, and PGDM with specialization in marketing for the posts other than IT officer scale 1. Candidate should have certificate, diploma, degree in computer applications or language, should have studied computer or information technology as one of the subject in high school or college or institute. Next, credit history. So examination fee, guys. So examination fee 175 rupees for SCST and PWBD candidates. So remaining all others 850 rupees inclusive GST. Preliminary examination for the post of law officer and Rajya Sabha Adhikari. English language 50 and maximum marks 25. So reasoning 50 questions and maximum marks 50. So general awareness, special reference to banking industry. So 50 questions and 50 marks. So 150 questions and 125 maximum marks. 2 hours time duration, and remaining all scale 1 officers like IT officer, agricultural, field officer, HR, personnel, and marketing. So English language 50, 25, reasoning 50 questions, 50 maximum marks, and quantitative aptitude 50 questions and maximum marks 50. So 150 questions, 125 marks, and 2 hours time duration. This is the prelims examination for IT, agricultural, and HR personnel and marketing officer. Both are difference. So the difference quantitative aptitude and general awareness. Don't confuse, guys. Next, finally, mains examination, professional knowledge, uh, 60 questions, 60 marks, and 45 minutes time duration. So in case if you are apply for HRA, it's depends on industry relations and marketing officers, marketing syllabus. So IT officer related to computer awareness. So law officer related to your subject based on your qualification. Next, Rajya Sabha Adhikari, objective 45 questions and professional knowledge 2 questions only for post of Rajya Sabha Adhikari, mains category 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the time duration. Next, examination centers, guys. So list of documents to be produced at the time of interview. So call letters and your certificates. Next, provisional allotment. How to apply. So once again, and important documents. Next, yeah, specialist officer for the indicative vacancies. So agricultural field officer AFO scale 1. So some vacancies not reported, maybe later. So Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, and Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab and Sindh. So overall 310 vacancies. Next, HR, personal officer. So almost a few banks not reported, guys. Don't worry. Be carefully and apply at the time of may increase vacancies increased. IT scale 1 officer. So overall vacancies 203 and law officer 56. Next, marketing 350 and Rajya Sabha Adhikari 78. So vacancies not reported, maybe include backlog vacancies for some banks. Next, examination centers statewide: Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, and West Bengal. So once again, before applying, online candidates will be required to digital image of photograph, signature, left thumb impression, handwritten declaration, and 10th class certificate. So compulsory before applying online. Next, dimensions: photograph, signature, and do and don't do's. Declaration, guys. This is the declaration. Your name of the candidate, hereby declare that all the information submitted by me in the application form is correct, true, and valid. I will present supporting documents as when required. This is the declaration form. Write your name. So upload and remaining all details. So this is the IBPS S4 notification, guys. So carefully apply. Thank you and all the best. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.